Wait, listen. If you miss any step, it's not gonna work. Now let's go. Open your Chrome browser. Click on the sign in. Now I will create new account for myself. Let's do it quickly. Once you're done, click on agree and yes, I'm in. Now search for Adobe Creative Cloud All Apps. The link can be found in the provided description. Click on the initial link displayed. Click on the sign in option located at the corner. Then click on create an account. Enter the email and password that we just created. Proceed with the next step. Here, the important step is your birth year and region. Select the United States as the desired region and you must be 18 plus. As an example, I am typing 1988. Hit done now. Now look for Photoshop. Click on the option to initiate the free trial. From the top menu, select the theme option and click on continue. Follow the instructions provided. Choose the state of Arizona. Then look for its zip code. Let's search for Arizona zip code. Link can be found in the description below. Copy any of the listed zip codes. Paste the copied zip code in the empty field. Next, open the new Gmail account. Search for USA Tempory Number. Link will be in description. Click on the initial link displayed. Select the United States from the options provided. Choose any available number. Copy the selected number. Paste it. Hit continue. From here, you will download Adobe Creative Cloud, but I already have it. I will search for Creative Cloud. Now enter your email and password that you just created. Hit continue. Hit continue. After that, go to apps, click on the beta apps. Install your Photoshop beta. Additional Adobe beta versions are also available. Let's make downloading fast. Once the process is done, an open button will be visible. But I will search for Photoshop beta on my PC. Pin it to the taskbar for easier access. Just open it. But now listen for a while. If this trick helped you, like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel. But if not, then inbox me on my Instagram. I will tell you another trick. Now let's go. The Photoshop beta application is now opening. The application has been successfully opened. Select any photo from your PC. Let's select any selection tool. For example, I am selecting laser tool and create selection. For instance, I am typing add shape. There you go with the result. If you want to learn generative fill in details, click on the right side tutorial.